Hello, Dwelling. So you guys, I get in my car, run to Bath and Body Works, okay? I've got to see if this is really giving Valaya. If you've been here for a while, you know that Valaya has my heart. When it first came out, I absolutely fell in love. The fragrance left me speechless. It is a beautiful, musky, citrus type of fragrance. It's opulent, it's elegant. It's by the house of Perfumes de Marly. I could talk about it forever. If you're new to the channel, you may not know this, but if you are returning, I talk about Valaya in just about every single video. I absolutely love that fragrance. So when they said they had a fragrance dupe for it, I'm like, hold up, I gotta go give this a whirl and see what it's giving. Now, I'm not gonna hold or keep you. Mind you, when I went in and shopped at my Bath and Body Works, all of the body care was $4.95. So I was leaving there with something. The body cream. I picked up the luxury fine fragrance mist, and I even picked up the miniature eau de parfum, as they said. All of these are supposed to resemble Valaya. I've already done my research. I've already sprayed it on my skin. I've already sprayed it on the blotter card. This is Valaya exclusive. I have none to waste, so I'm spraying my body down in it, okay? Gosh, it's good. Oh, it just makes me so happy. This is the Infinite Radiance Fine Fragrance Mist. I don't know where I got the word luxury from. You know, I'll just be making stuff up. There's that. What you were saying? Okay. I am going to say, oh God, wait, hold up. Oh my God. Okay, wait. Hold up. They could be stepsisters. I know. You guys, I think they could be stepsisters. They don't have the same mom though. They do not have the same mom. Maybe the same dad, but they don't have the same mom. Okay, in store, I didn't have Valaya exclusive with me to do the comparison. I was just going off memorization. In store, I would have never said that they smell alike or they even resembled each other. Maybe, but not really. In store, I would have said they knew each other in a past life, okay? And they may have, got reacquainted. But in this setting right here, today, hold up, wrong hand. Yes. See, that dry down is gonna hit a little different though. The dry down is gonna hit a little different. But okay, they could be stepsisters. If you have heard me talk about Valaya on the channel again, and you have been like, girl, that's a pretty penny, and I'm not there right now, or I don't really want to shove out that kind of money for a fragrance. If you want to have something that resembles a little bit of Valaya, I would say check out Bath and Body Works Infinite Radiance. I mean, I would say they could be related. I would say that, okay? Now, I will say this. The fragrance, let's see what the fragrance is giving. I'm gonna spray it on the same side because they are meant to be layered. It said that when I went online and read it and looked at it in store. It said it's perfect for layering. Okay, it's similar. Yes, they could be maybe stepsisters. I'll give you that. They ain't got the same mother though. Same father, maybe? I don't know. Or maybe they don't even have the same mother or the same father. They got married into the family and now they're stepsisters, okay? I'll give it like that. It does resemble Valaya. Are you saying that, girl? But girl, don't choke. Not really, but really. Okay, I'm going to give it to you. Not really, but really. For a person who has never smelled Valaya before and you wanted to get your nose on it, I would not say this is a true representation of what Valaya smells like. If you have Valaya and you've smelt it before and you're like, I just want to have something that can add to it and I could layer with it, if that was your vibe, if that's what you wanted to do, I would tell you, go for it. Now, for me, where I've compartmentalized this, I spray Valaya down, and Valaya is over $300 and some odd dollars. So yes, I would say if you wanted Valaya in your collection and you were thinking that it's just not feasible or doable right now, I would tell you to pick this up. I would say yes, they can be distant relatives, maybe stepsisters on somebody's father's, mother's, daddy's side, but do they smell identical alike? No. I would say it resembles it. That would be how I would describe it. Now, here is what I will spill the tea and tell you the truth about. This Valaya body cream is about, I don't know, I want to say right at about $100, okay? And when I picked this Infinite Radiance body cream up from Bath and Body Works, this is coming in at $4.95. Now, this here doesn't have a huge sillage. It does not smell strong at all. It's nothing like the Delina body cream. With the Delina body cream, you can use that and that would be fine. You don't even need the fragrance. With this Valaya body cream, you need the fragrance because after about an hour or so, I don't smell it anymore. You could see the dent. I rarely ever even reach for it because it's kind of like non-existent. If I want to have on a very light body cream with Valaya, I will reach for this, but other than that, I don't. So if you asked me, should I pick up the Valaya body cream or if I should pick up the Infinite Radiance body cream to go with my already existing Valaya, I will tell you to go with this every time. This is an ultimate hydration, and it is. I can vouch for that. It says it's made with shea butter and hyaluronic acid, and it's up to 48 hours of hydration. I will say upon putting this on, it delivers everything it said. It's more of a thick body cream and it feels really nice. It does. It feels very creamy, very soft to the touch. It feels very hydrating. I put it on the skin, wore it, and I was pleasantly surprised. And I'll say this does give off a great sillage and it does smell good. It smells really good. They have a body wash, a mini fragrance, a hand soap. I'm probably gonna go back and get the hand soap. Darn, I should have got the hand soap. I could have used it in the boudoir. I would have loved that. Anyways, I'll probably go back and pick that up. And then they have the fine fragrance mist. So my verdict on if it smells like Valaya or not, I would say it resembles it. It definitely has a strong resemble of Valaya, yes. Oh my God, I can't even believe I said that, but I have to be honest, I have to be real, it kind of does. Now the original Valaya, it still would be in the same family, even because we all know that these two aren't that far off anyway. It's the almond note in here, and this has more of the screechier note. It's more toned down. Full dedicated review on my channel if you want to know the breakdown note comparison between these two. Nevertheless, we are here to see if it gave or resembled Valaya, and I will be honest with you, it does. So if you have wanted Valaya in your collection and you wanted a little piece of Valaya, I would say pick it up. I would say pick it up, and I'm so excited. Why am I ready to cry? I'm just like, oh my God, I can't believe this, because in store, I was not getting this at all, you guys. I have to be so flippin' honest and so for real. I was not getting this in store. I was not. Maybe it's because I didn't have it. Oh! God, yes. Okay, they do resemble each other. Y'all better go run and grab it. When I picked it up, it was $4.95. I'm about to go back and get the, what did I say? The body wash. I don't know if it's still on sale right now. At the time of this video, I believe it's buy 3, get 1 free. So it would be a great Christmas gift, a stocking stuffer for someone in your life too that loves Valaya or any of them. They had some other ones I wasn't interested. I had all the other ones from before when they first came out. But this one I had to get my nose on, you guys. Yes. Okay. Yes! Ah! Not 100%, not identical, but it does resemble Valaya. Not 100%, not identical, not sisters, not twins, but it does resemble Valaya. It does. And that's coming from a Valaya lover through and through. You gotta do the side by side. You gotta do the Valaya exclusive or Valaya and do the side by side. And allow the dry down. I'm going to say this too. I gotta go on record saying this as well. Valaya smells way better. And the quality smells better. But they do resemble each other. That's as much as I could give it. I did give it that. That's as much as I could give it. The hair is really good too, you guys. You can pick this stuff up too. Oh, I love it because it is a hair mist. Hello, girl. It's a hair mist. You know we want to smell good over here from head to toe, honey. It can't just be the body. You need to smell good from head to toe. And that's first gonna start with some soap and water. I move on. So yes, that is my review, opinion on Infinite Radiance and Valaya. Valaya exclusive as well as the original Valaya. Yes, they resemble one another. So if you are interested, I would say run over and pick it up. They might still offer the body care line for $4.95 $24.95. That's what it was. I got all of these for, let's see, $5, $10, $15, $15. My total was $16.95, I believe. And that was it. Now I believe they're running a special of buy 3, get 1 free. Nevertheless, it's a good deal because this is over $300 and some odd. Even the body cream and the hair mist are gonna be over $100. So you can't beat that deal with a stick. Shout out to Bath and Body Works, I guess. I mean, at least they're not, I mean, I don't know. I don't really know how I feel about the whole, I guess it's not a dupe because they're not calling it that. They're saying it resembles that. I really don't know how I feel about that. Let's talk about it. Let's open up the comment section. What do you all feel about dupes? I don't know. I don't even care. I mean, I don't know. I'm always gonna want the bottle with the name. That's just who she is, and I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna be 100 with you. I'm always gonna be the girl that wants the bottle with the name, but I'm also gonna be the girl that's not above the bottle without the name. So do with that what you will. I'm still gonna use this, and I'm gonna use this because that's just what it is. Hello? And that is it. That is my comparison. That is my conclusion. They are not twins. They don't even have the same mother and father. Maybe a stepfather or something, but they resemble each other. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below. I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts? If you tried it, if you checked it out. A lot of the besties have already told me, girl, no. And that's exactly what I said. But then that side by side kind of hit a little bit different. Okay, I gotta get out of here. I love you like I love cooked food. I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, but more importantly, definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks for watching. Bye.